Arrival of raw materials at the primary processing facility. Unloading and initial sorting of White Brahman bulls.
And wellness evaluation of White Brahman bulls in holding pens. Wellness evaluation of White Brahman bulls in holding pens.
Biometric and RID identification scan on White Brahman bulls. Automated 3D laser structural mapping of White Brahman bulls. Automated harvest and extraction of White Brahman bull horns. Conveyor transport of White Brahman bull horns to primary preparation line. Automated mechanical scrubbing of White Brahman bull horns. Batch staging and sorting queue for prepared White Brahman bull horns. Precision sectioning of raw White Brahman bull horns. Vibratory tumbling for edge rounding and deburring. For edge rounding and deburring. High gloss buffing of curved handbag handles. Quality control and structural inspection of horn accents. Integration of horn inlays into brass hardware components. Staging finished horn components for final assembly. Automated cleaning and organic tanning in rotating drums. Precision splitting to ensure uniform hide thickness. Automated overhead tension drying of processed hides. Categorizing and sorting cut leather panels. Staging skived leather panels for final assembly. Automated laser-guided structural sewing.
Hand stitching and reinforcement of structural points.
Precision edge painting for a seamless finish.
Securing polished horn handles to brass mounting rings.
Automated steam conditioning and leather shaping. Final 360-degree quality control and visual inspection. Activating digital product passport and security tag.
Securing completed luxury accessories in protective packaging.